Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you XTRONS OBD2. This is the one. When you look at it, supports all OBD2 protocols. Let me go ahead and open it. Here is the tool for OBD2 right there. I'm going to put it over there, turn on the car, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth and search for OBD2 right there. The passcode is 1234. Okay, and it's connected right now. We're gonna go ahead and find OBD2 application. Now you can see all the information. Let me see if there's any fault codes. It is checking right now. It's 48%, 62. I hope there is nothing wrong with my car. Yay! Awesome. Real-time information. You can see all the things. What else? Help, get plugins, adapter status. Everything is okay. Map view. Okay, we didn't do any trips after this. I think that's it. There are so many things you can change. I'm just using this, finding the fault codes. Let me do it. It's matching. Okay, there are some plugins. You can get more plugins if you have internet connection. Let me take it out. Here is the connector. OBD2 tool. Thank you for watching and see you next video.